Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. How to start the video, I really don't know. This is just a pure KOLA VERI volatility. Nifty opened 100 point higher, then fell 200 point, then shot up 200 point, then fall to 50 point, then non-stop short covering by more than 300 points. It's a total swing more than 1000 point today, and all happened maybe because of weekly expiry. And I thought there will be a big buying and big selling between FIIs and DIIs, but at the end of the day the data was surprising. The FIIs have just sold only for about 780 crores. In fact, this selling is the lowest selling in the May series. And so this is almost the 3 weeks are over. In the last 15 trading sessions, this is the lowest selling. And domestic institutions have bought for 2000 plus crore. And probably the net figure may be less, but the story may lie in the gross figure. Though net selling was less, but the gross buying and selling was high. So this shows that maybe some FIIs were selling, whereas other FIIs were stepping in to buy. So whatever it is, on an expiry day, markets moving like this, I don't think that any intraday player would have made some profit. And 1 rupee option going to 100 rupees, then from 100 rupees coming back to 1 rupee, again for 100 rupees, 1 rupee it's going to 100 rupees. So that's the three, like usually people say V-shape recovery or sometimes W. I think today it was W like that, so many times up and down. So it was a very, very terrible day, but I'm worried if a normal trading day, if this kind of thing happens, can you imagine what is going to happen on June 4? And especially if, if there is a neck-to-neck movement in the numbers, that's going to be very, very terrible. So if a Nifty can move 1000 point now, why it cannot move 2000 point on June 4? And that is exactly what I'm actually expecting to happen. Okay, that may be too much, but we cannot say. So you cannot take any chance. My simple advice to you, if you are a trader, better close all your positions, go to election counting day without any position, let the market do whatever it wants. You can start building the position from the following day. If you are holding a portfolio, better hedge your portfolio properly. So without hedging, don't leave your portfolio. So that's my simple advice. And today there's nothing to talk about the open interest, this and that, this is volatility, let this volatility subside. But only good thing is that, number one, Nifty closed higher. And number two, volatility index, though it was higher in the morning, but on a closing basis, the volatility was slightly down. And now, Nifty decisively crossed 22,300. As I told you, the next target is 22,500. And in fact, Nifty future has actually crossed 22,500. But spot was around 22,400. Yesterday, the Nifty future premium was very less, 50-60 point. In fact, the day before yesterday, it was about 100 point. So it came down. I thought, we are coming closer to the expiry. So naturally, the premium goes down. But today, though in the market was going down, but the future premium was trading more than 100 rupees. So that shows that, very actively short covering was happening in F&O segment while market was falling on the downside. And sometimes, it's very, very difficult to predict these kind of things. So at the end of the day, in the last 1 hour, there was a huge short covering. Many people are trying to speculate the reason why market shot up. Like some television channel says, the election commission came out with the data, what percentage of people, have voted. That was the reason for the last 1 hour. If you are trying to give a reason for last 1 hour rally of 300 point, what reason you are going to give 1 hour before the market fell 200 point, right? So these are all like, very, very difficult to, after happen, these business channels or people like me, we have to come out with some reason, right? But sometimes, it's just purely intraday players positioning, selling, buying, all kinds of. Today it was a complete commotion, right? So let us see where the market is going to open tomorrow. So we will take things, but now I think, markets are turning bullish. I think 22,500. And probably, after Amit Shah spoke, the markets rallied. And then today when the market fell like this, so I was thinking, today I have to give a title, Amit Shah rally fizzled out. But, the domestic institutions, thank God. So they don't want to give any bad name to the Home Minister. So the domestic institutions have propped up the market. So anyway, so we will see tomorrow what is going to happen. But today, probably more stress for the Indian traders. But I trade in US market. I have a less, stress. US markets, they are totally predictable. When economic data will come, the data comes good, market will go up. Data comes bad, market will come down. And the data come at Indian time 6 p.m. That 6 to 6:30, all the action will be over. After that, no more big action. So that's how US market behaves. So probably, there will be a day I will be completely moving to US markets. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.